What is up? I am at the beautiful 856 Fisher's Way. This is on Logan Martin Lake. It is a luxury home about to go on the market at $900,000. I am Gene Darden, and I'm filming this. This is a 360 video, so you can basically swipe up, down, all around. You have a full 360 field view. Hey, if you like this, share it. Do me a favor. If you want to see the house, DM me. I'll be glad to show it to you, or you can just call me, 205-426-1113, Gene Darden with Real Brokerage. So let's walk you through this incredible home. First, you've got an upper level 2-car garage here, and you've got 2-car garage lower level. So that's a great advantage. You can walk straight into your house without having to carry anything upstairs. And as you enter this beauty, it's got so many features. I'm going to take you straight to the lake because that's what really makes it pop, and then we'll come back and kind of work our way through. We're still working through some cleaning and getting ready for the market. We'll be on the market in a couple of days, but look at this. You talk about a big water view. So listen, it is deep off the end of that lot, off the end of that dock. It's a flat lot. It's everything you want in a lake house. And as you can see, the finishes, you got a huge, beautiful kitchen, custom cabinetry. You got a nice curved staircase going up the stairs. This house has got 6 bedrooms and 4 baths. So if you got a big family and you want everybody to come hang at the lake, you can do it. So as you roll through, you got formal dining over here, beautiful plantation shutters. You got a nice area right here that we used as an office. The main level has 2 bedrooms and 2 full baths, so that's nice. You've got all that room. Your laundry's right here off the 2-car garage. Here's that first bedroom on the main level. As you can see, everything's hardwood. It's beautiful. So if you got any issues with allergies or anything like that, we got you covered. It's hardwood throughout on the main level, so that's perfect. That goes downstairs to the finished basement. I will show you that in a bit. Here is the first full bath right there. It connects to that bedroom. And let's go in the master. Let me show you this. I absolutely love it. So you're just laying in the master and you're looking at this beautiful lake. You've got a covered screened-in porch that you can walk out to and just enjoy your coffee, enjoy whatever you want to do. Huge master closet right here. And as you walk in, this is your master bath. You've got separate vanities, beautiful separate towel shower here, big tub. And so as you can see, you got tray ceilings in here as well. So man, they spared nothing. So we've got so many different options in this house. Let me walk you out on the deck here. So you've got an open grilling deck as well. Everything on the back of this house overlooks Logan Martin. And it's a big water view. You are not in a slough. And as you can see, all the houses around you are first class. This is in the neighborhood of Cumberland Coves. So here's that huge screened-in porch I was telling you about. Plenty of space to stack the family in here and chill. If it starts raining and you need to come up from the boats, here's a place to stay and wait till it dries up so you can get back on that water and do your plate. All right, so let me take you upstairs first. It's pretty cool because if you got a family, let's say you got a couple kids, you can put part of the family upstairs and they can all sleep and chill and be nice and have privacy. You put your living on the main level, which is great, and then the lower level will hold a whole nother family, and the lower level's got a kitchenette in it. So if you had in-laws, somebody living with you that was moving in or whatnot, you got options for that too. So as you come up, you've got, here's one of your large bedrooms here. And then you've got a huge bedroom here as you walk in. As you can see, the space is great. And you got 2 more bedrooms and a full bath on this side. Both of these doors go to walk-in attic storage, and I mean big walk-in attic storage. So I'll take you through. You got a Jack and Jill full bath right here, double vanities. And here's the other bedroom. Again, every room, all these bedrooms have a view of the lake, so that is actually really nice. All right, let me take you downstairs. So as we go downstairs, this is also a place where it's great to hang out if you're just kicking it, watching the kids swim in the lake, running from the rain, grilling out, entertaining people. You name it, you got it. So as we go down here, let's show you that. Okay, down we go. So as you can see, this is a big, massive playroom right here. It's got your full bath right over there, a big closet. You have the kitchenette right here. You got your microwave, stove, oven, dishwasher, fridge, and again, huge space. 2-car garage right out there. And then as you walk out back here, you got a really pretty area to hang out up under the porch that I showed you up top. So I'll walk you down to the lake. So this there's your fire pit right there, and this beauty has a dock that's got power to it. It's got an electric lift. It's got lights out there. It's got everything you need to hang out with your family on the dock. So let me take you down here to show you that. I'm just being quiet so you can enjoy the view. All right, here we are on the dock. So as you can see, if you know Logan Martin, they draw the water down 3 to 5 feet every year. Even so, we've still got water on this dock because it's deep water. Full pool, it's 7 to 8 feet off the edge of this dock. Beautiful big water view. You cannot miss with this lake house because it's got all the things, checks all the boxes, everything you need to have the perfect lake house is right here. Call me, Gene Darden, 205-426-1113. Thanks for checking it out. Have a blessed one.